What's up? So we're back at Skips, and I'm going to be tightening the lifter trays down to 9 foot-pounds or 108 inch-pounds. So I'm going to do that real quick. Dave, what you doing? Throwing some headlights? Giving a reach around? Got some nice snow falling right now. That's by a Subaru. And I just hit the window. Dun 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 dun. Nick, are you on the top of it? That's tight. You know, on this channel, we love our moms. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise, alright? So, resurfaced, we'll remove the gasket material on the heads and the motor. Have the little studs in there and the head gasket sitting there. About to spray it with some spray copper gasket and then go from there. So, let's put the heads on.
A.
Alright, so this is why you chase your threads. You can see we got some nasty crap at the bottom of this thread that I cut out. Got the ARP head bolts and about to lube them up, throw them in. Already did the thread chasing and remove some of the oil from the rings. And yeah, let's get to torquing. You know, we're just tightening things down right now. Just getting everything hand tight before we go with our first pass of 25 foot-pounds on bolts 1 through 10, and then 10 through 15 up here. We will do after we do or finish our third pass.